quiet city, brimming with development and advancement, Tumkuru is known as the city of education. It has become the preferred destination by many students to design their future. It's a campus with new thoughts, ideas, and enterprise. A place where global conversation begins. As a college of excellence, Sridevi aims to provide high-quality education as well as action-centric and value-adding research. Major groups under Sridevi Charitable Trust are Sridevi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Sridevi Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Hospital, Sridevi Institute of Paramedical Sciences, Sridevi Institute of Nursing Sciences, Sridevi College of Physiotherapy, Sridevi Polytechnic, Sridevi Institute of Management Studies. Our institutions have implemented creative learning, innovative thinking, and human development for the transformation of young and energetic minds into competent professionals and global leaders. Engineers are often called as people who turn dreams into reality. They are the ones who work on real-life application of complex theories. Sridevi Institute of Engineering and Technology was established to train the engineers of tomorrow.
The value of education is taught here at Sridevi. Every day is a new beginning, new learning, and new experience. I like to be called well educated than to be called well qualified.
The college also offers courses in MTech, and it has gained popularity over the years for its research-intensive quality education. The college has the best facilities at the disposal of its students. The labs for each department are high-tech, and the teaching staff is highly experienced with an impressive track record in getting the best results. It is said that a doctor should not treat the disease, but the patient suffering from it. Sridevi Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Hospital is an epitome of quality medical education established to train doctors with a human touch. The MBBS course is highly intensive, and the students, along with regular subjects, develop a first-hand knowledge of one of the primary aspects of the medical profession. The Hospital of Sridevi Group has state-of-the-art infrastructure and is equipped with up-to-date medical technology and facilities, which provides the best medical treatment to its patients. Sridevi Institute of Nursing was established as there is a demand for specialized nurses in the medical field. The mission of this institute has been to train students to become the best nurses who go beyond the call of duty to treat their patients. Sridevi College of Physiotherapy is one of its kind in delivering the best physio methodology. Sridevi Institute of Paramedical Sciences was established for the sole purpose of training the best paramedical professionals, as the paramedical staff is the support system of the entire medical services field. The course offered are intensive and spread out into 3 years, 6 months of college learning and 6 months of internship. Our library is our portrait, which is well maintained and has subscription to almost all of the journals worldwide. Also equipped with a digital library for research and study purposes. Home home away from home is the feel that one can get at a hostel in Sridevi. The hostels have the best residential facilities and has a friendly atmosphere. Students coming across different parts of the country with different cultures, languages and backgrounds live here happily and stand by unity in diversity. They make the best use of their leisure time at Sridevi. SEI offers a range of excellent sports facilities for its students and is very active in many intercollegiate sports and are also well represented at different levels. The students of institutes have excelled and have brought accolades to the colleges in various sports. There is a multi-gym facility and a yoga center to keep the students fit and in good health. The institute in each of its colleges has had excellent placement. Almost all of the students passing out of the colleges each year have been placed at various companies, MNCs, government sectors, etc.
If I can light up my surrounding with education, it is my greatest achievement in life. I believe in it.
Sridevi Institutions. This is the place to be. Come and join the prestigious institutions. Sridevi Group of Institutions. Admissions open. For more details, call 0816 221 2666 or log on to www.sridevieducation.org.